Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Pro. Today with the 2017 Volkswagen Polo, stock number 6654. This ran from the 5th 2014 and the 4th 2017. Here's a CJZC 1.2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a CJZC 1.2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory mega tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory mega tyre, left hand tail light, rear boot lid no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory mega tyre, right rear and right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front 17-inch factory mega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,